The Wake County Sheriff's Office is searching for a Zoe Catherine Upton, white female, 3 years of age, last seen wearing pink pajamas. Possible abductors are Zachary Richard Upton, 30-year-old white male with brown eyes and brown hair, or a Christina Garner Jones, 54-year-old white female with brown eyes and brown hair. Two possible vehicles: one, a black BMW 228i, license plate LEK7352. A second, a Chevrolet Traverse, license plate JKL2368. If located, please contact the Wake County Sheriff's Office at 919-856-6911 or call 911. This is an Amber Alert.
So she flew back to the queen saying, "Now see what I mean?" And together they all stopped the flood. They followed Sherry's lead. The queen herself took heed. Her name was now no longer